Okay guys, nobody can make potato salad any better than Finney's. Now what I have is a copycat recipe, but you know, one of my things is I can never get enough potato salad I can buy from them for like a big feed. So that's what this is. We're gonna have potato salad for the room-to-room crew in the next couple of days, and I am making the Finney's potato salad copycat. But if you ever get a chance, go on down there and have the real thing at Finney's. It was the old TKE's downtown at the drugstore. It is delicious. I've never had any like it anywhere else. So there you go. We're gonna whip it up now. First thing you gotta do is wash your potatoes. You need about 5 pounds of red little potatoes. Put them in boiling water, cook them until they're totally done, and then we're going to take the skin off of them, but they're going to have to cool first because they are hot, but you want them soft. So here's what I do. I take my skewer and I give them a poke. That one's done. Ooh, that big boy, he's done too. Another done. They're done. And I put a little salt in that too, so they can get a little bit of flavor as they're cooking along there. So you can see that skin is coming off that potato. So I'm gonna let them cook just a few minutes longer to be totally sure they are soft and delicious. Okay, here we go. We have cooked the potatoes. They're all done. I've got them over here drained. I have put some ice on them so they can cool off a little bit, but I do use a little bit of water here, but it's really easy to do. All you do is take those fingernails down, peel those potatoes so easily. All right, Finney's potato salad. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty of it. We have onion and bell pepper that you really, pulse and get it really finely. Then you do a little cooking to, kind of get the green off a little bit. So we're going to leave that over here cooking in a second. Then we're going to go over here to our pot of potatoes. So you see, all you need to do is get your potato masher. You don't really whip these. You get that potato masher, you get that creamy texture. You add, okay, they very specifically Blue Plate mayonnaise. Now, I am a Hellman's mayonnaise girl, right, Jim?
Yes.
Yes, I am. But we're gonna put this Blue Plate in there because that's what makes Finney's. Gonna put that in there. We're gonna mash it up. Everybody loves Finney's potato salad. We get that going really, really good. I'm gonna add, and I've drained them, pimentas. Dump those in there. Make that good. And a little bit of spillage there. My family says I don't clean as I go, so you just saw it. I did. I wiped it up. So here we go. We're gonna keep. Oh, I forgot one thing. Hang on. Squirts of that mustard in there. Getting that all really yummy, good. Fresh black pepper. And of course, we're gonna put some salt. It's looking good, y'all. Think I'm gonna need a tad bit more mustard. Let me add my veggies.
knew they went in there.
Oh yeah.
I've learned something tonight.
Yeah, onion and bell pepper. I didn't know really that you kind of you can do a little cooking with them, and you know, really part of the secret too is letting it sit. You know, for all those wonderful flavors to blend. Sea salt. You know, you have to sample a little bit more. Do you like Finney's potato salad, Jim? Not like I do?
Only when I eat it.
Oh, only. And you just work it till it tastes like you want it to taste. And the Room crew will be enjoying the Finney's potato salad copycat. So, hope you enjoyed this. Hope you can make it for your family. My daughter from Texas, every time she comes home, she wants some, but we always go to Finney's and get it. So, you see, it is not the easiest thing to make, and you see why. Go on over to Finney's and get you some potato salad. But if you need to make it for a crowd, here you go. Take care.